Several tax changes are up for vote this Maryland legislative session to tackle a $3 billion with a B budget deficit, and several proposals will affect real estate. It's Friday, March 14th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Governor Moore's proposed $2 billion in tax cuts and approximately $1 billion in revenues to close the estimated $3 billion fiscal 2026 budget deficit starting July 2025 include: 1. The real estate transfer tax increase on properties valued at $1 million and more, sales that accounted for 3% in 2024. Commercial properties over $10 million accounting for 6% of sales in 2024. Number 2, Maryland already has one of the highest average property tax rates in the country. Howard County has the highest property taxes in Maryland, closely followed by Montgomery County. Therefore, the proposed statewide property tax increase may not be welcome news for residents. The proposed increase to 12.2 cents per $100 in value will be on top of the already 20.1% increase in property taxes as of January 1st this year. The increase is in addition to any local property tax rate increases, which may be levied by counties, cities, or municipalities. Higher property taxes squeeze low and fixed income residents. Think about those golden years citizens who paid off their mortgage, are debt-free, but on a fixed income. The higher property taxes create hardship and a risk to their home. Number 3, a capital gains 1% surcharge has been proposed for taxpayers with a federal adjusted household income over $350,000. While this may all look like the taxes are being levied upon high earners and high income transactions, remember, everything has an effect, sometimes an unintended effect, because it trickles down. Keep that in mind. While the Senate and House consider this proposed legislation, home prices in Maryland are up 2.8% year over year, but buyer activity fell 8.09% this week. Interest rates made a slight improvement, so that may affect buyers out looking for the coming week, while inventory does continue to trend upwards. 1,872 homes hit the market since last report, a small rise of 2.4%. 1,470 homes are coming soon. 1,582 homes went under contract, a 9.3% rise from last week, and under contract in 11 days. 894 homes sold this report in 16 days at 100% list to sold ratio. There are 2,569 homes for lease at a median $2,450. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 14, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.